Hi, baby. Hello, Chef Alan. Say hi, Chef Alan.
Hi, Chef Alan.
Say hi.
Hi.
Are you busy with your monkey?
Uh-huh.
What's that?
It's sushi.
It's sushi?
Uh-huh. How to make sushi.
Yeah.
It doesn't have that on
What are you holding, though?
chopsticks.
Chopsticks. Okay, so here's your water.
Watching, we used to know how to do stuff in France, right?
What?
In China.
Hey, don't say that.
What?
You need scissors.
You need scissors?
Yeah, mommy needs scissors. Oh, mommy found scissors.
You already have scissors, right?
Yeah, I got scissors. Sit down, baby.
You didn't see your scissors there, right?
Yep. Alright, let's open it up. How do you open it?
Well,
Oh, there we go.
you don't need you don't need scissors, right?
Well, you don't need it, apparently. So,
Here is it.
yeah.
It fits. Let's do it according to instructions.
Yeah. So, I don't know how to do that part, but we will see.
We just need full instructions. What to do. Whoa!
Whoa.
It's the same, right?
It's the same.
So it is that according to you, right?
This is right. Okay, how do we do this? Which bag first again?
We need to wash that again, right?
Yeah.
Wash.
Alright. Sit down.
You have to hear it.
Yeah.
When it's cold, right? Need and what, right? Right? First. It's getting faster. You're taking some more out, right?
Hopefully I'm not using too much water. Alright. I think that's enough. Alright.
Now for the white stuff.
No. We need the blue stuff. This one.
Yes, it is the blue stuff, right? This is how I make it, right?
Yeah, hopefully. Yay.
The instructions are right? The instructions are right? Now mix it, right?
I'm gonna mix it.
Let's get even faster, Mommy. We mix it, right?
Can you replay the video for mommy?
Replay the video so you can watch again. How make that? I replay the video here. Now look at it. It's gonna be at the next part. Get fast. It's going the next part.
Which bag is that again? Which one's the yellow bag?
Yellow bag? Mommy, you're getting the way.
Yes, baby.
This is the other one.
Alan, can you replay the video? Mommy didn't see what she was supposed to do next after this.
After this,
Mm-hmm.
you replay your video by going back, right?
Mm-hmm.
I'm ready.
Okay, so did you wash your hands?
Pink, small. I wash my hands.
Okay. Ah, I forgot which bag again. Can you replay it?
Replay it.
Mm-hmm.
Forgot which bag too.
Mm-hmm.
Now what, right?
Yeah, we got the rice now, and Mommy put a little too much on. I think maybe not, but we have to wait for it to set.
Right?
Mm-hmm. Already done the tamago sushi. Oops. Stop.
He's taking some a little bit, right?
Yeah. Alright, where's that spoon? There's my spoon.
Is it ready?
Not yet. Would be. Right, since we're waiting for that one, let's go for this one.
It's all right, right?
Mm-hmm.
It'll change red tomorrow, right?
Hopefully now. Oh, this is soy sauce, I think.
Soy sauce.
Do you have another pack over there? Maybe not.
Soy sauce. Soy sauce, get out!
Oh, it says soy sauce. Sorry, baby.
Well,
Hey, soy scoop.
soy sauce is so need red.
Mm-hmm.
Honey?
Yeah, Mommy needs to read the instructions again. Alright, now we do the tuna.
Tuna?
Yeah, the tuna. And it's the pink one, right?
Uh-huh. Tuna is red, right?
Mm-hmm. Alright. So, we get the pink pack.
Pink pack.
The pink pack. Yeah. That one. And that's the tuna one.
That tuna is red, right?
Mm-hmm. Mm. Wow.
That's where soy sauce goes, right?
Yeah. It goes to all of them, but yeah. Okay.
Mix it, right?
That's right.
This is a mix it right, right?
Mm-hmm. Let's get the top. The top. Just to make sure it's flat, you give it the tap. Alright. Want to lick? Yummy?
Good.
Is it yummy? Alright. Now, we do the salmon eggs.
Salmon.
Yeah, salmon eggs. Well, maybe not now. Let's do the little... Where's the black thing in the container?
In the container?
Yeah, the black bubble gum.
Black bubble gum?